Hi, I'm Nick from Hartnack & Co. When we receive your artwork, it might well be that we do not have the font or typeface that you want in your logo in our system. This is why we need the type in your name or logo to be converted from a live font, which in code says this word is in this typeface, and we need it to be converted into what the computer sees as not a word in a typeface, but as a shape, and it therefore becomes what is correctly called a vector image. Now in graphic design and print talk, it's called outlining your text or fonts. So the question is, how do we do this? So let's type out a company name, and in this case it's ours and it's in our corporate typeface. Now make sure it's selected or highlighted, and in this current state it's live and not the format we want it in. So head up to the Photoshop menu bar and go to the Type menu. Scroll down to Convert to Shape and select it. And there you go, job done. It's now a shape or a vector and no longer live text, and just what we, or in fact anybody else wanting your name or logo in a vector format wants. And if you zoom in, you'll notice it's pixelated and not completely smooth, but fear not, as we will see shortly when it's open in Adobe Illustrator, that that'll all be fine. What is useful to us though is if you save it in or on a transparent background, and to that end we'll just save it as a TIFF file. So we have now opened the TIFF file up in Adobe Illustrator, and if we select it, there you go, it's outlined. Furthermore, if we zoom in, it's perfectly smooth. Finally, if we select it again, we can scale it to any size without loss of resolution or quality. So, there you go. That's recreating your logo in Photoshop, converting it to a vector shape and outlining your fonts in one go, and it working perfectly when opened up in Adobe Illustrator, which is just what we want.